Good morning, guys. This is Angie. Well, I'm okay, and how about you guys? Today here is Sunday, and I'm here again to making a food vlog. We're gonna cook for today is a prawns on bihon vermicelli in a clay pot. So let's do begin. Here are my ingredients. We have 300 grams vermicelli, large prawns, lightly crushed peppercorn, 1 tablespoon, minced garlic, slices ginger, roots of coriander, bacon diced, chicken broth. This brand also I use. So we need to soak vermicelli for 5 minutes and drain. Then first thing to do, lightly fry prawns 70%. After that, we need to set aside. Take the clay pot, heat the cooking oil and fry the bacon for 1 to 2 minutes until it browns slightly or the aroma comes out. Then add the following ingredients such the minced garlic, ginger, peppercorns, and coriander roots. Turn the heat for medium and stir fry until they become fragrant. Time to add the vermicelli, chicken broth, and sauce and stir until evenly mixed. Cover and simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add the prawns and top with the coriander stems and leaves. Drizzle sesame oil over and cover. Cook on medium heat for 10 to 12 minutes until the prawns and vermicelli are fully cooked. If the sauce dries up while the dish is cooking, add more chicken stock. Then, this is the recipe already, prawns on vermicelli clay pot. Please keep like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks so much, guys, for your support. And I will write down below the description, the recipe, ingredients, methods, or instructions. Okay, see you next time. Bye. This guys my ingredients or to make for the sauce. We have the fish sauce. This one a Chinese wine, dark soya sauce, and we put the oyster sauce. Then we mix together. Then this is the sauce for this recipe. Stir up and then we add the chicken stock and the sauce.
recipe. So this is done already, guys, and can dig in already. It yummy, so nice the fragrance. And hope you guys give thumbs up and enjoy watching this food vlog again today. And down below description, I just write the recipe or the methods, instruction, all and ingredients to do. Thank you guys for watching this. Bye.